Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Donna. Today's video is going to be an unboxing one. We're going to be unboxing my newest vintage acquisition, and it's a Prada one, so I'm so excited to show you guys. Without further ado, let's get started. So I did receive this bag about a week ago. I did open it already because I knew I wasn't gonna have time to film before today, and I just wanted to make sure everything was fine with the bag. So I ordered this bag from a website called LXR&co. If you guys are from Canada and you're shopping the website, make sure to choose or to be on the Canadian version of the site, because if you are on the American one, prices are shown in USD and you do end up paying more for the same bag. So just make sure to check that you're on the Canadian site. So the bag came in a Prada dust bag like this one. It's just the white normal dust bag we usually see for Prada bags. So let's unbox it. And here it is. So it's the yellow pouch. I don't know if this bag actually has a name, but it's their yellow pouch from about 15 years ago. And I'm so happy with it. One of the reasons I did gravitate towards this bag is because of the triangular logo. And I have said in previous videos that I really wanted to add a Prada piece that did have the triangular logo to my collection. So I'm happy I finally got the chance to do so. And as you can see, it kind of has like this ruching all over the bag. It kind of reminds me of Miu Miu because they're known for this type of like technique or texture. There's almost no hardware on the bag. All you can see is the Prada triangular logo. It has one pull tab in like a yellowy tan color and a gold zipper. And the bag really is in good condition. I mean, the corners do seem a little dirty, but it's nothing I can't remove. Apart from that, there's no tears or pulls in the fabric. It's really in, honestly, almost mid-condition considering it is almost 15 years old. So I love the color. It's so vibrant, perfect for summer. But at the same time, I am planning to wear it in summertime, obviously, because of the color. But I do plan on mixing it with like all black outfits or black and gray outfits to kind of like add a pop of color in the fall and winter time. And I think this bag was originally a cosmetic pouch or makeup bag. I am planning to use it as a clutch, however. I do tend to wear clutches more often than the average person for some reason. And as you can see, there are no loops on the bag, so you kind of can't add a strap to it to make it crossbody or shoulder bags or a shoulder bag, so you do have to wear it as a clutch. I'm just gonna open it, but it is quite spacious. There is a lot that does fit inside. It did come with this tissue paper. And the authenticity card as well. And as you can see, it is quite spacious. So let's see what can fit in this bag. Always a hand cream, some floss, cell phone, obviously a card holder or wallet. And as you can see, it fits fairly easily in the bag. You just have to like slide it in. Lip gloss, and obviously your keys. And as you can see, everything fits nicely. There is space for more, but for my daily needs, this is more than enough. If you are one that carries a little bit more, you do have that extra space, so not to worry. And it does close fairly easily. It's just like that, and you can kind of like carry it around. You can kind of hold it in the corner like this, or like this, or even like this. Honestly, the possibilities are endless with this, and I can't wait to start putting together some outfits for summer, since we are in the summer months, but as well, I'm getting excited to put together some winter or more fall outfits with this bag. So that was my purchase for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description box down below. I'll be sure to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video, give it a thumbs up, turn on that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. You guys know the drill by now. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!